Thank you, Botanical Hair Growth Lab, for sending me this free gift to review. After using the Botanical Lemongrass Rosemary Thickening Shampoo, for the first time, my hair felt surprisingly refreshed. I felt the soothing sensation immediately, making me feel like my hair was getting a much needed boost. The pleasant smell of the lemongrass and rosemary added a touch of freshness, making the whole experience enjoyable. While it's too early to see the significant changes in my hair felt cleaner and softer after just one use. I'm hopeful that with continued use, this shampoo might help address my concerns about my limp and thinning hair. I would like to add that when I decided to embrace my natural grays, I started appreciating hair products that are cleaner and more natural. So I'm very happy that I came across botanical hair products. Their products are exceptional. They're organic, cruelty free, sulfate free, and paraben free. So this makes me really happy, and it also gives me that sense of satisfaction that I'm caring for my hair and for myself.